Hello, in this video I will show you briefly how to work with Taiga Scrum management. You already had an email so that you could subscribe to a project, and your role as a project manager is also that you are the administrator for the project, so you can do everything with it. Go to Taiga.io, you get to this page, you can log on, and when you log on you see the projects that you are assigned to. Well, I have made multiple projects, but just you will see one. Select it, and then you can see here what the history was on the project. Just ignore it, and your first role as a project manager is to first go to settings here and add the members. And we have some lecturers that are already member of course, and you can add extra members by pressing here new member. You enter some email address. This shall not work, of course. Add it, and then all the other students will be a team member, so make them team member. And external users, so from the company, you will make them a reviewer. So if I say team member and then invite, then this mail, which of course is rubbish, will get an invite as you also invited, and then they will be added to this project. So remove it, that's it. So that's the first step, adding every fellow student. And then we have some Scrum possibilities. We have a backlog, and in the backlog you normally define user stories, which you will not use in this case, at least not for project 1 until 3. And we already defined some sprints. You can see them here and also here. You start from, if you go from bottom to top, so you start with the project plan phase, then an analysis phase, then realization phase, and then verification phase. And you have to decide with your team how long every phase lasts. So if I want to change the verification phase, here I take the pencil, and here you can, if you want to, change the names, but you also can set the start and the end date. So we did it now every 2 weeks, but that's not what you will be using. So set your start date and end date appropriately. That's it. From then on you will work in one of these phases, and when you select any one of them you get a view which looks the same but other things already being set up, because we did part of the work but not all. And here you see that we defined some modules, and in a project plan phase we say, okay, you have to write a project plan, check requirements, and get some customer requirements at least. And that's will be the same for every module, as we figure out. And you can probably will need extra tasks. This is a task, and when you start the task you set into progress. When necessary you can put it in testing, which is for this action or this task not very usable, but might be for instance when you are testing a mechanical construction. This also like this, when you are testing a mechanical construction of software or electronics, and when you're ready it's closed. That simple. And we can put it back here. So in every phase you have these 3 phases where a task can be put in, and the idea is when the project plan phase ends, in this case 13th of September, then all the 3 tasks should be closed. You can add extra tasks if you want to, simply by putting a plus over here and say new task, create it, see it's here. And if you need multiple you can put that one, and you can task 1, task 2, save. You can add multiple at the same time. It's faster. Every team or duo works on a module, so if you're responsible for module 1, you can also change this name. You can figure that out yourself, and yeah, you keep your progress as where it is at that time. Yeah, that's about it. So good luck in working with the tool.